We're gonna make some smothered pork chops, a little buttermilk gravy.
Ooh, sounds good, yeah.
So let's take a look at these pork chops here, if you guys want to take a look at these. Like really good classic pork chops, and they're just really good, very fresh, smell sweet. All right, we're gonna start off with a little bit of flour.
Okay.
Chuck that in there, man.
Is all of it?
Yep.
Okay.
Nice good coating. And then we're gonna add some great flavor to this. Some onion powder, all right? Quite a bit actually, there you go. About 2 tablespoons of onion powder.
Oh, 2 tablespoons.
Some onion powder. Okay, some garlic powder. About 2 tablespoons of the same. You really want to give this this flour coating a lot of taste. All right, good, perfect. All right. And then we're gonna add, there you go, about a little bit less than a good shake of some cayenne. All right, a little more. All right, perfect. If you like it hotter, go ahead. If not, so be it. All right, so once you take a fork, stir it together. All right, we're also gonna add a little bit of salt to this. Why don't you grab some salt back there?
About right?
Yeah, a
little bit more?
One little shake there, cool. And then some fresh cracked pepper. Cool, man. Okay, take our pork chops, throw in the flour. And I actually like to just kind of mash the flour in.
Crush them in?
Crush it in to get that good taste. Go ahead, why don't you add the rest?
Yeah, sure.
And when you're making like southern style pork chops, generally they're thin. You know, kind of like a 1-bone thickness pork chop. That's it. That's it. Cool. Now, you know, there's a reason that cast iron pans have been, you know, around for 100 years because they're awesome to cook in, right? They're heavy, they hold heat very well, and they're virtually indestructible. All right, so we got a little bit of olive oil. Why don't you go and throw that in? Okay. Okay. Yeah, nice little smoke. Okay. We're gonna roll that around. Okay. So now we go ahead and pan fry our pork chops. All right. Why don't you grab the rest?
Sure.
All right. All right, so these are going to take about 4 minutes per side. They're pretty quick, but you want some nice color on the outside.
Right.
All right, and then we're going to smother them.
Smother them.
Smother them, baby. We're going to make a buttermilk gravy go over top of these smothered, old-fashioned southern pork chops.
Cool.
Delicious. All right, so flip these pork chops over. Nice color. All right, awesome. Now, a pork chop is a pork chop, but the secret's in the gravy.
Right.
All right, so we're going to pan fry this on the other side. All right, and then we're going to take them out, and then we're going to make like this amazing buttermilk gravy, man. All right, cool. Nice color on that. Okay, so we take a little bit of flour, and you have a good roux spoon? The man's packing heat with a roux spoon. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour in the bottom of this, pull up some of that pork fat. All right, give it a little stir. Okay. Okay, now to this, all right, we're gonna add some chicken stock. All right, pour that in. Go and work that around. All right, yeah, cool. Now we're gonna turn the heat up just a little bit in front of its eye here, all right? And let this start to cook down. It's gonna thicken itself. All right, Ted, take a look at our sauce here. See this? Starting to get real thick.
Right.
All right, now take a little bit of our buttermilk. All right, just give it a little splash. Okay.
A little bit more than that, or?
A little more than that. All right, cool. Buttermilk gravy. All right, we'll take our pork chops, right? And we're sliding back into our smothering gravy here. Put juice back on top of that. All right, now Ted, take a spoon. I just want you to start coating the pork chops.
Okay.
Now you got a nice big spoon with it?
Yeah, let me get this guy.
All right, and just give them a good bath.
Where's my...
Know that delicious little gravy. All right, so get some chopped parsley here. All right, finish up a little bit of chopped parsley. And then a little bit of green onion. Can you say onion?
Onion.
Onion.
I guarantee.
I guarantee. All right. All right, finish up a little bit of chopped onion on top of that. All right, and that is some good looking smothered pork chops. Look at that, America. That is old time religion. That is good looking stuff.